Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a location on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Open up your Google Maps. Then you have to hit on your profile. Hit on your profile. Just simply scroll down and here you will see edits. Go with edits and all your location will be shown over here. Just simply select the location and go with this three dotted button. Once you will hit this button, the pop-up will be appear over the screen. You have to hit on suggest on another edits. And in this screen, you have to select place is closed or not here. Go with it. Select the reason and hit on submit. Now hit on OK. And that's it guys. How to delete a location on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.